Hi kids, today we're gonna play with Thomas and his new sea animal friends. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's start. Here we have Thomas the train. But be careful, he likes to hide. And here is the shark. But don't worry, he doesn't bite. And here we have a helicopter, Thomas' best friend. He travels with Thomas all the time to name all the sea animals. So later on, we'll be able to name all the sea animals with Thomas in a helicopter. Speaking of Thomas, let's go find him. Oh, he's not there. He was there before. Where'd he go? Remember I told you he likes to hide? Well, let's see if we can find him. Tell me, kids. Where do you think Thomas is hiding? Is he hiding under the shark? No, the shark is friendly. Is he hiding under the whale? Nope, not under the whale. So where could he be? Ah, yes, kids. I think you're right. He could be hiding under here. There he is. There's Thomas. Now, kids, would you like to see Thomas go really fast? Yeah? Okay, let's see. Now, to make him go really fast, all the way this water and this track, we have to put Thomas back in his hiding place. And what the helicopter will do is, he's going to lift the whole thing. Wow. See that? Go up, 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 up. You ready, kids? Can you count of 3? 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Oops. He somehow missed the track. He missed the track. Oh no. Now where is he at? Oh, that's right. Be careful. He's next to eels. They can sting. Now, let's drive with Thomas. See where he drives next. Wow, we have starfish. They're less friendly than the eels. They don't sting. Now, let's continue. Dun dun dun. Oh, we have dolphins. Now, there's some really fun sea animals. They swim really fast in the water. Okay, let's move along. Oh no! The crab's got the whale stuck. The whale can't move. Who shall we call to help the whale? I know. Thomas's best friend. The helicopter. Now, helicopter, help the whale. 1 crab down. 2 crab down. And 3 crabs down. Now the whale is free. You can move. The whale says thank you. Now let's move along. Oh, what do we have here? We have turtles. Now they're very opposites of dolphins. Dolphins may be fast, but turtles are very slow. But they have a hard shell. See? They're very hard. Now let's move along. Uh-oh. Crab's in the way. Helicopter, up this crab. Alright. The helicopter can lift him. Who else do we need to help him? That's right. The magic fingers. Magic fingers. Help this crab. Do you see any more crab down? Nope. All clear. Oh no. We got some more animals down. Who can help them? Can the helicopter help them? No. Who else can help them? That's right. The magic fingers. Help the poor penguins. Now, these penguins like to live in the cold. Now let's move along. Whoa, I think I went too fast. But look, we got seals. We have 3 gray seals, 1 gray seal, 2 gray seals, and 3 gray seals. Now we have 4 green seals. Let's see. 1 green seal, 2 green seal, 3 green seal, and 4 green seals. We have 4 green seals and 3 gray seals. What does 4 plus 3 equal? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay. Let's go for one last journey. We got octopuses. They have a lot of tentacles. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, look what we fall into. Crabs. 3 crabs. Wow. Let's see what else is here. We got some more sea animals. Wow. But what are they called? Do you know? Dolphins! Blue dolphins! Wow. Just like these dolphins. Wow. Now, how am I gonna get out of here? Who's gonna help me? That's right, the helicopter. Thank you, helicopter. Let's fly around and see if we see more sea animals. Ah, we see more blue dolphins. We got a shark. Wow. Now look what we see. We name all the sea animals here. Wow. Octopus, dolphin, shark, eels, crabs, starfish, dolphins, crabs, dolphins, whale, turtles, penguins, and also the helicopter and the train. But they're not sea animals. They're just part of the fun. Well, goodbye kids. I hope you had a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye kids.